still struggling with high crushing costs, rapid wear, and excessive powder generation. Choosing the right core equipment can save you a fortune. Today we reveal the 3 core advantages of roller crushers and how they help you reduce costs and boost efficiency. Advantage 1. Energy, saving champion slashing electricity bills. Operating on the low-speed, high-pressure laminating crushing principle, roller crushers achieve exceptional energy efficiency. Data shows they consume approximately 30% less energy than comparable crushers. When processing identical materials, their energy consumption falls far below impact-based equipment, delivering significant overall electricity cost savings. Advantage 2. Wear-resistant and durable. Low maintenance costs. Its core wear part the roller shellless, made of high wear-resistant alloy material, ensuring even wear and extended service life. For instance, when processing quartz sand, hammer crusher hammers may need replacement every 2 to 3 Daltons YS, while roller shells can last over a year and a half, drastically reducing spare part costs and downtime. Advantage 3. Low over-grinding rate. High product value over. Grinding produces large amounts of worthless powder, causing waste. Roller crushers effectively control over-grinding through compression crushing. For example, when crushing quartz sand, the over-grinding rate can be below 5, whereas impact-type equipment may exceed 30. This translates to higher yield rates and superior uniform particle shapes.